Estaba arriba de la cocina, tiene que ser.
After some computer work on Monday morning, now I'm ready to go for to work on this one. So I'm gonna open the gearbox, check what is going on. Let's see if something is broken or so. Let's see. So yeah, let's get to it. So this one is open, but what I found out already is that this one has too much play in it. Like it's like, I don't know if it's possible to see. It's like bubbling way too much. That's one, and actually I want to check here inside because I think it's well done, but I cannot see it properly. So yeah, I need to open the other side because I need to take this one so this one goes out. So yeah, let's move on with that. Let's see. I was checking this one, and this one should just come out. And I was like, yeah, that metal doesn't look right. It's like it's melted. Like somebody almost forged. So, I don't know. And I was like, okay, well, let's check the back of the clutch. And that's the back of the clutch, yeah. So yeah, not looking good. So let's fix that, pull this one out, and then move on with the other side. Voila, this one did the job. I took it out. This one was here. So yeah. And now it's so easy. Voila. Okay, so let's turn this one, take it out, and go for the other side. Unfortunately, yeah, the IS is winning this fight. This one doesn't want to come out. Voila. And I normally use this one with something in it, and I can just pull out it. I can pull it out pretty easy, but actually it broke mine. So tomorrow I need to buy a new one, and then let's see. Those 5-minute job. Yeah, always like that. Okay, so there we go. This one is done, and now let's go to the garage. So voila, ready to go to take the carburetors out. Something I saw on the gas tank is this. Let's see, okay. this one, so that means it's leaking somewhere in that area and there. So I will need to do some tests and check it to be sure. Oh, even here, see now, yeah. So yeah, later on I will put some pressure and check out the leakings, yeah. Oye, pero ¿esto que está sucio?
Sí.
Ah, ok, digo, hostia.
No,
Ok.
estaba arriba de la cocina. Tiene que ser.
I just pulled this one out and I saw here's like what it looks like water and oil, but actually the spark plug inside looks dry. So it must be from somewhere here, and I think it's coming from here because somebody did reshape this. So maybe there is a crack in the cylinder head or something. I don't know. So yeah, we will see. Or maybe it's just gasoline and it's coming from here and going to here. I don't know. But let's see. Yeah. Now I'm gonna check the other one. Let's see. Now it's loose, so I can take it with the hand. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Yeah, this one looks the same actually. Okay. Now I see some oil here. So interesting. I don't know. I need to see it running, then yeah. For sure I'm gonna change the spark plugs, both of them. And yeah, let's see. Voila, good to go. As good as new. Holy moly, it's hot! How about just checking this brake? And I saw something, I was like, wait a minute. I was checking like this and I see it there. And I'm like, what? Ta-da! This one was loose. Yeah, you see? With the hand. Oh my god. Yeah. So, after seeing that, I think I'm gonna check all the bolts on this bike. Yeah, that's for sure. And actually, those should be more like this, because in the time lapse from yesterday, you could see that I was even cutting something, and that's because I cut one of my keys so it can fit in here in between the carburetors and make it loose, because somebody put the wrong one, and normally this one goes like this, and then you can go really easy, but in this case was like normal, like let's see, it is here underneath. Voila, you see. So this one they put it smaller, this one they put it bigger, and anyway it's not the right one. So yeah, I'm gonna change that too. I ordered now the bolts for the Norton. They didn't have in stock, so what I did is I ordered kind of the same that it has now, but in a smaller version. let's see if it works. Yeah, that now I'm going to jump to this one. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna put the gas tank on the top. I'm gonna measure and make the shadow. So yeah, let's do that. So So, the moment of the truth. I hope I didn't put it wrong, because otherwise it's gonna be like a big patch of the lights gonna shut down, or I don't know. So, hey, we'll see. There goes nothing. Okay. And what does this? I don't know what is this for, but maybe the lights, I think. Okay, good to go, no problem. Makes a little bit of noise, but I think it's in there. So it's fine. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, looking good. Nice. Fuck yeah. Okay. I think the next thing I will check this for this one, because I think this is like a light, but it's not working. So I will need to check it. Yes. Nice. Check in. Voila. Well, let's see. I just need to buy a lamp, and that's it. Good to go. Now this one is like, it's really tight, so I need it pretty tight. This one are underneath. This is looking really rough now. It works too, but it doesn't matter, because later it's going to be like this one. So it's going to be all covered, and actually the shape, it must be kind of the same idea, but the big difference between mine and for the client is that this one has this for the fender, then this one goes up, and it was go, and oh my god, it's the idea. When everything is ready, this will be gone. Right now everything is loose, that's why it's so much space, but yeah, ready to go. So for today, let's see. I'm still waiting a lot of parts for the Norton Commando. For this one, actually, I still waiting for an answer for the CDI, the VSA and the Thunderbird. I'm waiting parts too. The Dominator, I ordered now the parts, and now I need to wait for them. Let's see. The IS is the same deal. Just waiting for parts. So I guess that in between tomorrow and Monday, I'm gonna get a lot of parts. So what I'm going to do today is to try to repair the aluminum tank. That's one. Move on with the SL because I have all the parts, so I can actually move on with that one. And maybe some work on the BMW and the Suzuki. So let's see. Now I just called to the guy who's gonna make the saddle for this one, and he told me it was there, so I'm gonna bring it and then I start to work here. Yeah. So just leave it like that sometime, and let's see if we can try it out. So the engine is ready to get into the frame, but first I want to do this cup because this one was open totally, and yeah, I don't like that. So yeah, let's machine something. So there we goes, my Triumph Scrambler from 2006. The last model with carburetors, and today I'm gonna take it for a ride because I'm going to miss my car, so I need to take this one. I wanted to sell it this year, but it wasn't possible because I wanted to take all these little things, rusty things, bolts and stuff. But yeah, next year it's going to be for sale, that's for sure. Because I only want to ride my classic bikes, so yeah. So today, Saturday, and yeah, what I want to do is to move on with this one. Yesterday I got some of the parts for the VSA. I still miss the chain and a few little things, so yeah, it's okay. Almost there, but good. And when I have everything, then I go to make everything at once. Let's see. With the Thunderbird, I'm still missing some electrical components, but hopefully, maybe today I get it, or maybe Monday. We'll see. And now, oh yeah, I got the front of the rear tire from this one. Voila! I think this one is this rear. I thought. Okay. Wow, we got one. I still missing the other one. Let's see. So yeah, for today, this one, and let's see how far I get here. I'm gonna do like until 12, kind of, because I need to do stuff at home too. So but it's okay. And then Monday move on with the rest. Yeah. Now, let's see. The speedometer is in. This one is in. This one is too. But I need to make a little plate here to hold it. Next thing is to do the battery holder. It's gonna go here underneath here, and of course do some adjustment in the electric system. And I was when I was just in this one. I saw this. So yeah, this one I need to fix it. So yeah, but that's all for this week. So see you next week. So one more thing I forgot. This one I wanted to fix it today, but still. It has still some gasoline in it. I actually put, like, I think it was yesterday and the day before, like this foam was giving some heat, so it dumps all the gasoline. But still, yeah, I need to wait at least until Monday, and then I will be able to weld it, because if I weld it now, it's a big possibility that it just blow up on me, so I prefer to do it safely. Yeah, so yeah, Monday, hopefully. Let's see. Hey, wait, can you see proper? Oye, pero entonces la madera pasa o no pasa.
¿Tú decías que pasábamos? Mira.
So voila, that's the idea. Now you can see a lot of the space, but when everything is tied up. Oh yeah, and I forgot about it to say it. Oh wait, I need to drink some water.